first sum, they ask us to calculate the median of set of values. See, first check whether this is in ascending order. This is not in ascending order. So what we are going to do is we are going to arrange it in ascending order. While arranging it in ascending order, we will get 2, 3, 4, 4, 8, 23 and 67 as a set. Just split it. While splitting it, we will get 4 as a middle term. So median is equal to 4. Any doubts in this, ma'am? Students, any doubts?
No, ma'am.
No. They are asking us to calculate the median with even number of terms. In this, we will this set is in arranged in ascending order only. We will just split it. While splitting, we will get two values in the middle. That is 33 and 55. Just add and divide it with 2. Just take mean of those values. We will get 44. That it is 88 by 2 is 44. Any doubts? Shall we move to the next page? Shall we move to the next page?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. If they are asking us to calculate the median of series of all even terms, means the formula is first term plus last term divided by 2. In the series, the first term is 4. First term is 4 and last term is 296. So we are just adding 4 plus 296, that it is 300 divided by 2. So the value is 150. If they are asking us to calculate the median of series of even terms, we want to just add the first term and last term and divide by 2. We will get the value as 150. Any doubts? Students, any doubts? They shall we move to the next page? Adi Lakshmi. Adi Lakshmi.
Ma'am.
Any doubts, ma'am? Whether you are having doubts?
No, ma'am.
No.
No,
Shall I
ma'am.
move to the next?
Yes, ma'am.
Students, please don't chat because it's not possible for me to view your chats. Okay. Try to do it by yourself. Find the median of the set of numbers.
Five 5.5, ma'am.
5.5. Your answer is right. There are two values in the middle. We are just first we are arranging in ascending order. After that, we are splitting. Sorry, ma'am. We are splitting it. We are getting two values in the middle. We are just adding and dividing it with 2. We are getting 5.5 as the answer. Try to do it by yourself, ma'am.
Ma'am.
20. Wait. Answer is right. First, we want to arrange it in ascending order. After that, we are splitting it. While splitting, we are getting the middle value as 20. So, median is 20. Try to do it by yourself.
Ma'am.
300. Answer is right. First, we want to arrange the sequence. After that splitting, we got the middle value as 300 and that is the median. Try to do it by yourself. They are asking us to calculate the mean, not the median. Try to do it by yourself, ma'am.
Triple four, ma'am.
444. Your answer is right. First, we want to add all those numbers. We are getting 220. Then we want to divide it with 5 since there are 5 numbers. Since there are 5 numbers, we are dividing it with 5. We are getting 444 as the answer. Try to do it by yourself. They are asking us to calculate the mean of their ages.
Ma'am.
11, ma'am. Answer is right, ma. First, we want to add the all numbers. We are getting 110. After getting that, since there are 10 numbers, we are dividing it to 10. We are getting the value as 11. Shall we move on to the next page? Anyone is having doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Do it by yourself now.
Thirty, ma'am.
30, ma'am. Answer is right. We are just adding. Why we are selecting 7 as a denominator? Can you explain? Why we are taking 7 as a denominator? பண்ண முடியுமா? Since they are attending, there are 7 weeks, they are attending only on Friday. So there are 7 days. So while adding, we got 210. 210 divided by 7, we are getting 30. Shall we move to the next page? Shall we move to the next page?
Yes, ma'am.
Try to do it by yourself. Try to find the value of x.
$62, ma'am.
62. They're asking us to find, they have given the median as 63. The middle values are x and x plus 2. So we got 2x plus 2 by 2. So x is equal to 63 minus 1. The value is 62. Your answer is right. Shall we move to the next? Anyone is having doubt?
No doubt, ma'am.
Next, what we are going to see is mode. Mode is a number which is having the highest frequency, is so called the mode. The first sum C, there are set of values 1, 3, 3, 6, 9. In that, 1 has occurred. Let's calculate the frequency. Set of values be xi and frequency be f. For 1, the value is 1. Frequency value is 1. For 3, the value is 2. For 6, the value is 1. For 9, the value is 1. In this, we can find that 3 has occurred for more number of times. 3 occurred for more number of times than other numbers. All other numbers occurred for only one time, but 3 has occurred for 2 times. Hence, the mode is equal to 3. In certain cases, they may give. Let's see this set. they have given some certain numbers. Let's calculate the set values and frequency of the set values. While calculating for 2, it has occurred for 1 time. 4 has occurred for 2 times. 8 for 1 time and 9 for 2 times. See here, 4 and 9 both has occurred for equal number of times and they both have occurred for more number of times. In such cases, the mode is both terms 4 and 9 or both are the mode. 4 and 9 are the modes. If we are having 3 numbers that has occurred more than that has occurred equally and that has highest frequency, means that 3 numbers will be the mode. Any doubt? Shall we move to the next? Shall we move to the next page, ma'am?
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Try to do it by yourself.
Ma'am, mode.
90.
Yes, 90, ma'am.
Yeah, 90 has occurred for more number of times. Let's calculate for the frequency. 90 has occurred for 1, 2, 3. 80 has occurred for 1. 77. Who is that one? Mute yourself. 2.
மெசேஜ் பண்ணக்கூடாதா பேசுங்களா என்ன அது மெசேஜ்லாம் பார்க்க மாட்டாங்க சரி நீ வந்து ஜாயின் பண்ணி
ஹர்ஷவர்தன்
ஓகேவா
ஹர்ஷவர்தன் $77 2, 86 1, 91 1, 66 1, 69 1, 65 2, 43 1, 75 1, and 43 1. So the mode is 93. Try to do it by yourself, ma.
Ma'am.
70. Answer is right. 1, 2, 3 and
times.
4. 7 is occurred for 4 times. 15 is only for 3 times. 13 1 time. 18 2 times. 11 for 2 times. 19 for 3 times. 17 has occurred for more than 17 has the highest frequency. Hence the answer is 17. Shall we move to the next, ma'am? Shall we move to the next?
Yes, ma'am.
Range is nothing but its value is given by highest value minus lowest value. If we are given a set like this, means 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. In this, the highest value is 5 and lowest value is 1. So the range is 5 minus 1. That is equal to 4. Range is nothing but highest value minus the lowest value. Any doubts, ma'am? Shall we move to the next? Doubt irukka, next poidalama.
Yes, ma'am.
Followed.
Try to do it by yourself. Try to do it by yourself, ma.
X equal to 8 for 8, ma'am.
Not 8. X is not equal to 8, ma. Someone else.
9, ma'am.
Yeah. Can you explain me how you got the answer?
Ma'am, first we have to find the mean, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. X plus, we have to add all the values divided by total number of values.
What is the sum of data?
Adding the number of elements, ma'am.
What's the value? They are asking us to calculate that also, no? What is the sum
Yes,
of
ma'am. 5x plus 20, ma'am. By 5.
Actually, listen, ma.
65, ma'am.
Yeah, 65 is the sum of data. Listen here. We know the formula for mean, sum of data by number of data, right, ma? In this, we are adding these things and dividing it with 5 since there are 5 terms. Here, this 13 into 5 is the sum of data. 13 into they are asking us to calculate the sum of data. Just write this value and this is the sum of data. After that, while solving, we will get x as 9. Any doubts?
No, ma'am. Understood, ma'am.
If they are asking us to calculate the sum of data, just put these values as the sum of data. Okay, mama?
Okay, ma'am.
Shall we put the next page?
Okay, ma'am. We shall go to next page, ma'am.
Yeah. Try to calculate this now.
Ten, ma'am.
10. Sum of data?
6, ma'am. See. 128 plus x divided by 6 equal to 23, ma'am. 128 plus x equal to 23 into 6. 128 plus x equal to 138. So x equal to 10, ma'am.
X is equal to 10. What's the sum of data? I said
128
no.
plus x.
No, this 38 is the sum of data. Sum of
138,
data
ma'am.
is 138. Okay. Just put this value, ma. 23 into 6. This is the sum of data. Can you get me? Any doubt? Students, can you able to understand my words?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall I move to the next?
Yes, ma'am.
Try to calculate by yourself.
Ma'am.
13. The answer is right. We are just adding those values and dividing it with 5. We are getting 8. If they have given us the value of mean as 8. While solving, we are getting P is equal to 13. Try to do it by yourself.
Eleven.
The voice is not audible, ma. Can you please repeat the answer? Can you please repeat the answer, ma?
11,
11, ma'am.
11. Actually, the answer is not 11. They are asking us to calculate the square of first 5 whole numbers. First 5 whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. After that, what we want to do is we want to square all these things. While squaring, we will get a set of value as 0, 1, 4, 9 and 16. In order to take mean, we want to add those values and divide it with 5. Since there are only 5 values, we are getting the mean as 6. Any doubts? Anyone is having doubt?
No, ma'am.
No. Shall we move to the next?
Yes, ma'am.
Try to do it by yourself.
Thirteen.
13. Wait, let's check.
Mean is 13.
3, ma'am.
Answer is not. Value of x is 13. See this. They have given us 6 numbers. They have given us 6 numbers and their mean is 15. They are asking us to calculate the mean of first 4 numbers. First we are calculating the by solving it we are getting the value of x as 13. We are adding these numbers. Since there are 6 numbers, we are dividing it with 6. And we are getting the x value as 13. After getting the x value, we want to substitute it in the equations. That means x minus 5. For x we want to put 13. X minus 1, we will get a set of values as 8, 12, 13, 15, 17 and 25. First, in that we want to choose first 4 numbers. 8, 12, 13 and 15 and we want to take mean. While taking mean, we will get the answer as 12. Any doubts? Babe, anyone is having doubt? Any doubt, ma?
No, ma'am.
No. Shall we move to the next?
Yes, ma'am.
Find the mean of all factors of 10.
Four point five, ma'am.
4.5. Not 4.5, ma. Listen. First factorize 10. The factors of 10 are 2 and 5. We no need to take 1 as one of the factor. So 2 plus 5 divided by 2, that it is 7 by 2, that's equal to 3.5.
3.5.
Try to calculate this sum.
Ma'am, first one is 1, ma'am.
1.
Yes, ma'am.
Next.
4, ma'am. Third one is 6, ma'am.
Okay, ma, let's see. In this range, highest value is 4.1 and smallest value is 3.1. Therefore, 3.1 minus 4.1 is 1. The value of range is correct. How many numbers are less than 3.5? How many numbers are less than 3.5, ma?
4, ma'am.
4. Huh? 4 numbers are less than. How many numbers are 3.8 or above?
6, ma'am.
1, 2, 3. Sorry. 3.8 and above. 1, 2, 3, 4. How much 6? Yeah. 4, 5.
4.1.
Yeah. Okay, ma. Let's see the next sum. Try to do it by yourself.
78, ma'am.
78. Yeah, your answer is right. X is common in both series. While calculating the value of X, we are getting as 78 is the answer. First, what we want to do is with this we want to calculate the value of X. 28 plus X plus 42 plus 78 plus 104 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4. Divided by 4 is equal to 62. With that, we want to calculate the value of X. After calculating the value of X, we want to put it here and we want to calculate the mean with these terms. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms. So we want to add these things and we want to put divided with 5. We will get the mean value as 78. Any doubts, ma'am? Any doubt? Guys, reply me. Shall we move to the next page?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Try to do it by yourself. Annamalai, can you hear me? Annamalai,
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
have you
ma'am.
got the answer? Have you got the answer, ma? Or you need time?
Doing, ma'am. Doing.
Okay.
Time.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Four plus A, ma'am.
4 plus A. Let's check the answer. See here. Let's assume the value of SSB1. While assuming it first 1, we will get 5 numbers. They have said 5 consecutive integers. Consecutive integers means next numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Their average will be 3. We want to add those values and divide with 5. While doing that, we are getting 15 by 3. That it is 5. That is 3. 15 by 5. That it is 3. After that, they are asking us to. They are saying that the 9 consecutive integers start with s plus 2. So yes, we want to add instead of yes, we want to put 3 and we want to write 9 integers. While writing like that, we will get 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. We want to take average for those 9 numbers. We will get the value as 7. The average of first 3 sequences A. The average of second is 7. So they are asking for for the first 9 numbers, the value is 4 plus A. Any doubts, ma'am? Guys, any doubts? Any doubts, Mark? Shall I move to the next? Aravind, yes. Aravind, yes. Aravind,
Yes, ma'am.
whether you doubt
No,
or
no doubt, ma'am. Doubt is
no
not
doubt.
there, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Let me move to the next page, okay?
Yes.
Try to calculate this.
Three, ma'am.
3. Your answer is right. They have said that the average of 5 numbers is the average of 5 numbers is 6. The average of 5 numbers is 6. So sum of data is equal to 30. Average of 3 of these numbers is 5. The average of 3 of these numbers is 5. Therefore, sum of these numbers are so the average of 3 of these 5 numbers is 8. Therefore, sum of these numbers are, let it be y. It is equal to 24. They are asking the sum. So from this we can find the sum of remaining 2 by subtracting these two things. We are getting the value as 6. So since the sum of 2 is 6, the mean of 2 is 6 divided by 2. That is equal to 3. Any doubts, Mark? Try to do this by yourself.
32 years, ma'am.
32 years. Initially, there are 10 number of students. Their average is 20. The answer is right, 32. Let me explain. Initially, there are 10 students. Their average is 20. So, the sum is 10 into 20, that it is 200. After 2 students joined, the number is 12. Their average is 22. So, the sum is 264. Sum of 2 ages of new students. By subtracting 200 from 264, we got 64 as the answer. Average of group of 10 students is 20. By dividing it by 2, we are getting 32 years. Average age of 2 students is 32. Any doubts, ma? Shall we move to the next? Students, shall we move to the next?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. They are asking us to calculate just the range. Try to do it by yourself.
$30, ma'am.
Yeah, answer is 30. Highest value minus the lowest value. Therefore, 100 minus 70, that is equal to 30. Try to do it by yourself.
6.25, ma'am.
6.25. Two 82 minus 3.2 into 10 divided by 40. That it is 250 divided by 40. That's 6.25. Your answer is right. Try to do it by yourself.
Thirty-one, ma'am.
31.
Yes, ma'am.
The answer is right. The average of 3 students is A plus B plus C divided by 3 is equal to 45. So we are multiplying for 3 with 45. We are getting 135. Here is what let it be equation number 1. A plus B is equal to the average of A plus and B is 40. So we are multiplying 40 with 2. We are getting 8. B plus C is 43. We are multiplying with 2. That is 86. By solving the two equations, we got the value of B as 31. That is the weight. Try to do it, ma.
19, ma'am.
19. Your answer is right. 19. Average of 20 numbers is 0. So sum of 20 numbers is also 0. So the possible numbers are 10 positive numbers and 10 negative numbers. Some of them will be 0. So there will be 19 positive. If there is a sum of a is, then 20th number is minus a. Because the sum of 90 number is a means sum of 20th number is minus a means they are asking how many numbers are greater than 0. 90 numbers are greater than 0. Now let's enter the new topic. Standard deviation. Standard deviation is nothing but the deviation between two values. Let the values be 2, 4, 6, 8. See here, the deviation between 2 and 4 is 2. The deviation between 4 and 6 is 2. There are numbers 2, 4, 6, 8. The deviation between 2 and 4 is 2. 4 and 6 is 2. And 6 and 8 is 2. If the deviation is same, we can write this as standard deviation. The standard deviation value is 2. Try to solve this sum. They are asking us to calculate which of the following sequence has the highest standard deviation. Just calculate the standard deviation and say me which has the highest standard deviation.
Four, 8, 12, 16, ma'am.
Yeah, 4, 8, 12, 16 has the highest standard deviation. The standard deviation for first one is 2. Second one is 3. Third one is 4 and fourth one is 1. The third one has the highest standard deviation. The sequence of highest standard deviation is 4, 8, 12, 16. If the deviation between two values are same, it is easy to calculate the standard deviation. If it's not same means with the following steps has to be followed to calculate the standard deviation. See, in this case, the values are 1, 3, 3, and 5. The division between the values are not same. The division between 1 and 3 is 2, 3 and 3 is 0, and 3 and 3 is 0, 3 and 5 is 2. Since the standard deviation is not same, we are going to follow these steps. First, calculate the mean of these values. In order to calculate the mean, the formula for mean is sum of data by number of datas. Here there are 5 values. So we are just adding those values and dividing it with 5. We will get 15 by 5. That is equal to 3. After getting the value, calculating the mean value, just a minute. After calculating the mean value, just take difference of all terms from the mean value. 1 minus 3 is minus 2, 3 minus 3 is 0, 3 minus 3 is 0, 3 minus 3 is 0, and 5 minus 3 is 2. After taking difference and just subtracting the mean from these values, after making the difference, I am going to square all the difference. The square of minus 2 is 4. The square of 0 is 0. Square of 0 is 0 and square of 2 is 4. After taking square, I will get a new set of values. Let it be b. b is equal to b is equal to 4, 0, 0, 0 and 4. After getting this set, we want to calculate the mean for this set. We want to add these values, and since there are 5 values, we are dividing with 5. We are getting 8 by 5. This 8 by 5 is called the variance. 8 by 5 is called variance. Variance. The square root of variance is the standard deviation. Square root of variance is standard deviation. By taking since the value of variance is 8 by 5, we are taking root on those values. Root of 8 by 5 is a standard deviation. Any doubt, ma? It is denoted by this letter. Standard deviation is denoted by this letter. It's a Greek letter. Any doubt? Shall we move to the next sum? Aravind, yes, any doubt? Aravind, yes, can you hear me?
No doubt, ma'am.
No doubt. Try to calculate the second sum. Try to calculate the standard deviation of 2, 3, 6, 8 and 11.
Root 54 by 5, ma'am.
Yeah, root 54 by 5 is a standard deviation. The variance is 54 by 5. Answer is right. Next, try to calculate for this 12, 6, 7, 3, 15, 10, 18 and 5. Anyone is having doubt? They want to explain it. Guys, did I want to explain those sum? 2, 3, 6, 8 and 11. Mohan, can you hear me? Mohan. Aravind, yes. Aravind, yes. Can you hear me?
No doubt, ma'am.
No doubt. Have you calculated that sum? Have you solved that sum? Aravind, whether you solved that sum or not?
Doing, ma'am. Doing, ma'am. Doing, ma'am.
You need time to do that sum.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do. After finishing, just inform me. And those who finish, try to do this next sum.
Finished, ma'am.
What is the answer?
17 by 5, ma'am.
17 by 5. Just a minute. Root of 17 by 5, Amma.
Yes, ma'am.
Just a minute.
Ma'am, are you sharing your screen, ma'am?
Yeah, wait. I am not. Now I am not sharing. Just a minute. It's not 17 by 5, Ma. Can you view my screen? Arti, can you view my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. It's not 17 by 5.
Sorry, ma'am, I didn't notice the second question.
Just do this. Then which question you did?
First one, ma'am.
2, 3, 8, 6, 6, 8 and 11.
Yes,
The
ma'am.
answer is 54 by 5.
Okay, ma'am.
They want to solve that sum. Students, they want to solve that. Aarti,
Yes, ma'am.
do you want to solve that sum? Did you want me
No.
to solve that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. They have given the numbers as 2, 3, 2, 3, 6, 8 and 11. Two, 3, 6, 8 and 11. We want to take the mean. Mean is equal to 2 plus 3 plus 6 plus 8 plus 2, 3, 6, 8, 11. So, 2, 3, 6, 8, 11. While taking the mean divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we will get the value as 10, 21, 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 11 is 21, 21, 24, 30 by 5, that is equal to 6. Mean value is 6. After that we want to minus it from the original values. We will get the set of value as minus 4, minus 4, minus 3, 0, 2 and 6 minus 11 is 5. After that we want to square this value. While squaring we will get the set of value as 16, 9, 0, 4 and 25. After getting this value, we want to take the mean again. 16, 9, 0, 4, 25. 16, 9, 0, 4 plus 25 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 plus 9 plus 0 plus 4 plus 25 divided by 5, that is 8.8.
Ma'am,
Value-
it is 16, not 6.
It is
16, ma'am, not 6.
16 amma. 16 9 0 425 ah. 16 9 0 425 will get answer as 54. That is 54 by 5 is the variance. Root of variance is the standard deviation. So standard deviation is equal to root of 54 by 5. Any doubts, ma? Students, any doubt? There doubts இருக்குதா? Shall we move to the next sum? தூங்கிட்டீங்களா? Guys? Aarti? Aarti Narasimha. Shall we move to the next?
Yes, ma'am.
Guys, anyone is having doubt? Aravind, yes? Aravind, yes, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall we move to the next?
Yes, ma'am.
Try to do this sum. 12, 6, 7, 3, 15, 10, 18 and 5.
Root of 95 by 4, ma'am.
Root of?
95 by 4.
Let me check, wait.
Ma'am, root of 23.75, ma'am.
Let me check answer. This is for 3, 5, 2, 7, 6 and 4, 9. Right. Answer is 2.497. 2.497. Anyone is getting this answer? What is your mean value, ma? For starting mean value. யாருக்காவது கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர் கிடைச்சதா?
Ma'am, mean value is 9.5, ma'am.
Mean value is 9.5. Mean value is not 9.5, it is 5.143.
மேம் நீங்க வந்து 12673 அந்த சம் தானே மேம் சொன்னீங்க?
Yeah.
அந்த சம்க்கு 9.5 தான் மேம்.
பார்த்துட்டு. Yeah, 9.5. What's your answer, ma?
Root of 23.75 ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
Okay, try to do this. 3, 5, 2, 7, 6, 4 and 9.
2.249, ma'am.
2.249. Yeah. Your answer is right. Try to do the next one, ma. Try to do this. There is some like wind up our class. 3, 5, 2, 7, 6, 4, 9, and 1. Right. மியூட் பண்ண முடியல. Aarti? Aarti?
Yes,
Can you
ma'am.
hear? Finished, Amma?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay, ma. Do it as a homework, okay? Today, let's finish the class.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Mm.